This video is of the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds performing at Mather Air Force Base on the 4th of October, 1958. There was a nice newspaper article that I came across describing the air show, and I'll go ahead and read it to you here. It says, the world's first supersonic aerobatic team, the Thunderbirds, will fly a dramatic display of precision formation flying at the base starting at 9:30 a.m. Saturday, October 4th. The open house and air display are part of a two-day observance beginning Friday, October 3rd to celebrate Mather's 40th anniversary and the arrival of the first B-52 of the Strategic Air Command unit, which will use Mather's as a base. And you're going to see that B-52 coming up here in this film. It was named the city of Sacramento. And then getting back to the article, flying North American F-100C Super Sabres, the Thunderbirds' exciting aerobatics will be a high point in a day-long open house to which the public will be invited. The U.S. Air Force official aerial demonstration team and their red, white, and blue Century Series fighters will perform loops, rolls, vertical, U-turns, corkscrew, rolls, and other maneuvers in a close-knit four-plane diamond formation. Wing tips overlapping, they will maintain a 5 feet separation at speeds ranging from 150 to 750 miles per hour. In between the diamond formation maneuvers, the solo pilot will demonstrate precision 4-point and 8-point rolls in an inverted pass, aileron rolls, and the vertical rolls, all at low altitudes. The Thunderbirds' performance will end with the bomb burst, in which the planes in the diamond formation break away from each other while climbing straight up. With afterburns ignited, they separate towards the 4 points of the compass, trailing white smoke and leaving a track in the sky like a bursting bomb or a skyrocket, then diving towards the ground. The F-100s approach the field from opposite directions to cross head-on at a selection point in front of the crowd with speeds up to 750 miles an hour. And and you get a great look at them here doing exactly what the article said. And they also had a little note here about the B-52s that I mentioned, the city of Sacramento. It will be the first B-52 jet bomber to land on the new runway built for the use of the 4134 Strategic Wing, which will be the new tenet at Mather Air Force Base. And love to hear your comments, and hope you enjoy this look at the Air Force Thunderbirds in October of 1958 at Mather Air Force Base. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.